Another cool project coming up for the garage. Stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this video. Hey, how's it going out there, everybody? Gun Psychiatrist here with the
Electronics Kid.
And today we have a very special video for you. Today we're going to be covering an area that I built over my main workbenches that was primarily used for a storage area. It had a bunch of wires and the joist showing in it. And today we are going to shiplap that area. I didn't really get to do it the way I wanted to do the shiplap. I wanted to do a 6-color stain on the shiplap and, stain each individual board. Today what we're going to show you is this little project that me and Electronics Kid are going to be doing, and I think you're going to find it interesting. If you find any of these videos helpful, consider giving me a subscribe. And also, if you find my videos helpful, consider becoming a patient of the Gun Psychiatrist. It's only $1.99 a month. You get exclusive member content, a whole laundry list of other things, especially with priority replies from me. I'll be there to answer any of your gunsmithing related questions or engineering related questions or anything in general. If you just have a question, I will give you priority replies to those questions. It's $1.99 right now because I'm not really full-time YouTubing. Today what we're going to show you is how to install shiplap, make just a nice little decorative area in your garage. Hey, Electronics Kid.
What?
You ready to start? All right, let's get this video on the road.
Sound.com. Bensound.com. Bensound.com.
enjoyed the little project we have for the shop. This new ceiling, it's just mainly decorative. It's going to cover up some new wires, but I just found it, I don't know, relaxing. I like to come in my garage and relax, and having this nice little ceiling up here is going to help me and my little buddy here, Maddox. It's going to help us relax when we're out here doing the reloading bench or working on guns or working on whatever projects we decide to work on. Isn't that right?
Yes.
Why don't you flip the light switch on for him? Show him what it looks like. Look at that. Now we got a nice bright light. So if we want a super bright light, we have a nice bright light over the bench. I hope out there at YouTube you found this video helpful. If you have, consider smashing that like button, but also consider, was that funny?
Yeah. Why would you want to smash your cell phone screen? Bump.
Give me a pause. That was good.
It would break the glass.
Smash your cell phone screen. Just don't break your glass. Take his word for it. Please consider subscribing to the channel as well if you find any of these videos helpful. I want to thank you all very much for watching. And if you haven't done so, go ahead and sign up for one of our memberships. It's only $1.99 a month. You'll get exclusive member content, a whole laundry list of other things. Any of your dollars that you put towards the channel go back into making better videos and doing cooler things, which we have a lot of cool things in the works. Anyways, I'm the gun psychiatrist signing off. Who are you?
The electronics kid.
And we'll see you next time. God bless America again.